In this video, we're going to show how I went from this to this. Let's ride it. Oh! Almost landed with it.
Mic check.
Again, YouTube. Super excited to bring you a new video today. This is a bit of a stretch from my last video. It's time to set up the new deck. Can't wait to set this thing up and take it to the park. Let's go. Let's get it set up. Send it. I only just learned about these and it blew my mind. There's so much science packed into this board. I don't even know where to start. It's got fiberglass, it's extra thin, it's light for how strong it is. People drive with cars over these things. This is the Powell Peralta flight deck, and it's built to fly. Apparently it just has so much pop. It's so springy, it's thin, it's snappy, it's durable. I'm so psyched to have it. I think it's gonna last me a lot longer than the last board. Ugly ass tail. Look at that. No bueno. Not good. Don't want. This is what we want. Full size deck, maximum pop, and flight potential. To grip a deck, you're gonna need a knife that's sharp and safe, and a skate tool. Or it's a file or a hard edge. Actually, to grip a deck, all you need is a knife, really. Good off. Stick it somewhat centered. Doesn't have to be perfecto. It has to be perfect. And then you just push the bubbles out, inside to out. Doesn't matter. Everyone does this different. Just don't suck at it, because you're gonna get bubbles. I broke my first bone. Did it? It was a week into the season. It was second or third sesh of skating. I went to my local park. I was hitting up axle stalls on the 6-foot concrete half pipe, just like I never stopped skating. It was going well. I was doing axle stalls on the quarter pipe, and after 3 or 4 tries, I got into the axle stall and the coping. I was actually 50-50ing, and I went to roll out, and I kind of spun on my nose, had my weight too far forward, literally dive bombed into the concrete. Broke my fall with my left arm. Exploded my elbow. Not good times. But I learned a valuable lesson. Being the first bone I ever broke, I kind of learned I wasn't invincible. And you know, puts things on a new grounded perspective. This little tree had an incident. His pot exploded. So we're gonna have to do something about that. Just when you rub your tool on the outline like that, you get a nice line. Just trace it with the knife. Try to do it in one smooth motion. It's the only way to get a nice clean line. Won't be perfect. If it's not perfect, no problem. Don't freak out. Don't buy another grip tape. It's still gonna work. Absolutely fine. Your old grip. Go back to back, grip tape on grip tape.
I used to cop a lot, but never cop no drop. Hold mics like ponytails tight and bobble ops. Stop, stick around, come through and dig the sound of the fly brown 6060 cycle. Who throws a dick around? Bound to go 3 plat. Came to destroy rap. It's an intricate plot of a b-boy strap. Fem stack cats get kidnapped. Then release a statement to the press. Let the rest know who did that. Metal fist terrorists claim responsibility. Broken household name usually set in hostility. What is MF, you silly? I like to take men's to the end for 2 milli. Do-do-do-do-do, that's an audio daily double. Rappers need to fall off just to save me the trouble. Yo, watch your own back, came in and go out alone, black. Stay in the zone, turn H2O to cognac. On doomsday, ever since the womb till I'm back with my brother went, that's what my tumor say. Right above my
Alright, how am I gonna fucking chuck this board? You may be asking yourself, how does the best 30-year-old skater you've ever seen break his arm skateboarding? The answer is, this fucking board. This board is the reason. This infernal skateboard is the reason. Ah! Problem solved.
Go get it.
Okay, sweet. All our hardware together. The 2 trucks. Set it up. Now I've heard you can fly with this board. We'll see. I believe I can fly. Do you believe I can fly? Leave it in the comments below. And let me ask something else to all you skaters out there that may or may not be watching. Why do you replace a skateboard? When and why? What is the line that gets crossed? Or what has to happen for you to think you need a new deck? Because sometimes you have a deck last 2 weeks, or sometimes you have a deck last 7 years. Sometimes you have a deck last 2 weeks, and other times you just need a new deck, even though it's in good condition. Just what is it that has made you guys replace decks in the past? I'm curious to know. Like for me, I have a ton of razor tail. Oh, we're getting close. I can already hear the feebles going off. We're almost done. Can't wait to feeble this thing. I feel like it's gonna happen for me this year, and this deck's gonna make it. Most importantly, let me know what you want to see more of. There's gonna be so many aspects of this channel at first. Before I refine this channel, I'm really listening to what's catching on. So, oh shit. And let me know what to post about. Like, I have a lot of ideas for this channel, and knowing what you guys actually enjoy watching is what's gonna really help me out moving forward. So, leave it in the comments below. What should I make videos about? I got ideas, but you guys have ideas. I don't know what you're thinking. You don't know what I'm thinking. So let's brainstorm.
Dig the sound.
Got all the screws in, just gonna tighten them down. Don't want to bore you guys with that, so I'll catch you at the skate park. Me trying or landing a feeble / Smith. Let's go. I got this, but I maybe don't. We'll see. Let's go. See you guys in a minute. Alright, so we just got to the skate park. We're going to see how much pop we get out of this flight deck, see if we can truly fly. We're going to send it to the sky.
You silly, I like to take men's to the end for 2 milli. Do-do-do-do-do, that's an audio daily double. Rappers need to fall off just to save me the trouble. Yo, watch your own back, came in and go out alone, black. Stay in the zone, turn H2O to cognac. On doomsday, ever since the womb till I'm back with my brother went, that's what my tumor say. Right above my government doomulate, either unmarked or engraved, hey, who's to say? I wrote this one in BCDCO section. If you don't believe me, go get bagged and checked in. Cell number 17, I'm under the top bunk. I say this not to be me, was bad luck a pop junk. Pop the trunk on C-side for punk, leave him left scraped, God forbid. If ain't no escape, blame MF tape. Definition super villain, a killer who loved children, one who is well skilled in destruction as well as building. While City Seller teaches the trife to be trifer, I'm trading science fiction with my man, a live lifer. A Pied Piper, holler a rhyme, $1 and a dime, do his thing, ring around the white collar crime. Get out my face, ask about my case, need toothpaste. Fresh mint, monkey style nigga to death to death. And dope fiends still in their teens. Shook niggas turn witness. Real men's mind their own business. That's the difference between sissy pissy rappers is double dutch. How come I hold a microphone double clutch? COs make rounds, never have ox found on shakedown, lockdown, wet dreams of Fox Brown. On doomsday, ever since the womb till I'm back where my brother went. That's what my tumor say. Right above my government accumulate. Either unmarked or engraved, hey, who's to say? Doomsday, ever since the womb till I'm back to the essence. There is no tomb, either engraved or unmarked grave, who's to say? Pass the mic like Pastor P, like they used to say. Some MFers don't like how Sally walk. I tell y'all fools is hella cool, her ladies from Cali talk. Never let it interfere with the Yeti ghetto slang. Nicknames off nipple and tip of nipples, metal fang. Known amongst hoes for the bang bang. Known amongst foes for flow without no talking orangutans. Only gin and tang, guzzle out a rusty tin can. Me and this mic is like yin and yang. Clang, crime don't pay. Listen, you, it's like me holding up the line at the kissing booth. I took her back to the truck, she was uncool. Spitting all out the sunroof, through her missing tooth. But then she has a sexy voice, sound like Jazzy Joyce. So I turned it up faster than a speeding knife. Strong enough to please a wife. Able to drop today's math in the 48 keys of life. Cut the crap for us rap. Touch the mic and get the same thing an Arab would do to you for stealing. What the devil? He's on another level. It's a word, no a name. MF, the super villain. Doomsday.
So I didn't end up landing the Smith grind or the feeble, but I've only been learning this trick for a week or two now, so I think I can get it next time. Till then. Nope.
Oh wow, yeah.